is PittsburghActive, and my name is Dom. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a while since you've seen me, and that's totally my bad, but that's okay because we're launching a new video today about a very special bike, a short travel 29er, the following MB. Let's get at it. Nice, really nice. Super controlled, man. Super controlled. I was really looking forward to riding this bike, and the reason for that is it's pretty simple, actually. I rode this bike in Pisgah, Black Mountain, and I was super impressed with the Evil following in 2015, 2016. That when I heard about the update, which is this one, the following MB, I was really curious on what else would this short travel trail bike 29er can do. And though I am not in the Black Mountain Trail in Pisgah, I'm going to do my best to put this trail bike, this proper trail bike, through its paces here in Pennsylvania. This bike itself is not stock, though it does have maintains that 120 millimeter in the back. Uncle Matt from TrailFlo has decided to put a 140 fork on this bike, which I think it does kind of warrant it, because this bike is so capable. So as long as you have the front end in control and giving it a little bit more of that slack and the travel, it becomes even more so capable. Kind of slippery, I think. Yes, it is. You guys know where it is now? Good. Yeah, you could definitely feel that short travel, for sure. Ooh, that's slippery. Oh, I almost bit it right there. Really got to brake check across these turns, or that shit's gonna happen again, which I don't know about you, I really don't want that to happen to me today. If you are interested in seeing if an Evil bike is for you, TrailFlo is actually having a demo event for Evil, which is I don't know, to me that's pretty exciting, because it's not every day you see a boutique brand like that kind of have a demo event. So that demo event is at North Park on June 28th. Check out their website for more information. Be really cool, and I would actually love to try out some Angry Dolphin, the Calling. I like how this suspension reacts to standing pedaling. It's pretty good. I don't know if I said it before, but man, right when it rains, I think the forest and the woods look so pretty. So I want to thank TrailFlo and Uncle Matt for actually lending me his personal bike to ride today. Baby. Baby. Medium. Large. Man, the suspension just feels so bottomless. I mean, this is smooth, but I mean, you could just immediately tell on a trail bike that, oh man, it does want to do this stuff. Who would have thought years ago that you can jump 120 millimeter 29er on dirt jumps like that? Now granted, that's nothing fancy, but still, for the normal Joe like me, that's great. Does jumps well. It's nice how the suspension just feels like it's just always supportive. Wet rocks, sweet. The trail is definitely more wet than I would like. Hard cornering and carving is a little bit sketchy today. The frame is stout. There's definitely stiffness in there, and there's something about the DWA link that is unique feeling. Same bike as before, and this bike, it's the blaster ride. You get the 29er rollover of this, but it's a more manageable and daily driver friendly type of ride. Definitely not a cross country bike. This is a proper trail bike. Like, this is the kind of trail bike, as much as it only has 120 in the back, I would be comfortable riding this in park. I don't know, man. This bike feels comfortable, doesn't feel undergunned and J's, lands well, and it pedals well. It's just not a super light bike. You don't feel it in the pedals, really. It's it very much remains to be one of my favorite bikes. All right, that's one of my favorite rocky sections here in North Park. Let's see how I do. I always mess up that line, I really do. A little slip, but that was a good. This thing is fast. It's fast because the bike doesn't shy away from it. Okay, climbing rock section, let's see how it does under power. Man, that's great. Holds you in position. No wallowing. Good. Power right to the ground. And it's slippery rocks. How about that? I don't know what this is called, but it's pretty much like a roller coaster. That's a little sketch for sure, but it's okay. We got it. Definitely tight, definitely twisty. Definitely slippery. Definitely slippery today. Oh! Okay. Thank God there's some close calls for today, huh? So this is one of my favorite things about mountain biking is you're in the woods and it just looks nice and green like this, which I don't know, I guess you don't see this in desert areas where there's other videos out there. So I hope the followers, subscribers and viewers enjoy that you get a little bit different perspective riding in the trails here in Pittsburgh, where it's definitely more tight like this. Definitely rooty, slippery. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. According to Evil's website, the MB in the following MB stands for more, better, So does it really live up to that? The bike itself maintains its nimble and playful nature that I really love to begin with. It's still as hard charging as it was, and now that it has a stiffer frame, it has to be more responsive, even though I really didn't feel like there was any flex in the first one to begin with. And the overall wheelbase longer. So it's a good thing that it has maintained its nimbleness and playfulness. Is it more stiff? Tell you the truth, I couldn't tell, because I couldn't ride it as fast as I wanted to. It was a little bit slick, and frankly, I wasn't at a downhill park to really test out the stability. However, if you're looking at this bike, you can't really go wrong with it. It's a Rowdy short travel 29er that you can use every day and you could bring to a park. I can't find any downside of that. It's a beautiful bike, it's a boutique brand, and really, it still is one of my favorite bikes. That being said, I want to thank TrailFlo Bikes for lending me this bike, letting me demo it, so that you guys and gals get to see how it rides, or at least enjoy a video out there about a very special bike. Thanks very much. Check me out on Instagram at PittsburghActive. I'll see you guys later.